Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yudhistyo Herlambang. My NPM is 24312. Here I will explain material about the evolution of computers. The evolution of computer. The evolution of computer is one of the most significant technology transformation in history. From the earliest machinery device to asset with mathematical calculations to the advanced artificial intelligence powered machines of today. Computers have evolved in both size and capability. This material will explore the different stages of the computer's development, highlighting key achievements that have shaped the digital world we live in. 1. Early beginnings pre-12th to 21,940. The concept of computing dates back to ancient times, when humans began developing tools of counting, recording information, and solving problems. Early computers were mostly manual devices that helped with mechanical operation. The abacus and early calculating tools. The earliest known tool used for computation is the abacus, which dates back to around 2040 BC in Mesopotamia. It was a simple device that helped merchants and traders perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and addition. Charles Babbage and the analytical engine. The most important figure in the early development of computers is Charles Babbage, an English mathematician in 1847. He designed the analytical engine, a mechanical device that could be programmed to perform any calculation. While it was never complete during his lifetime, the analytical engine is considered the conceptual precursor to the modern computer. It introduced the idea of the programmable computer, complete with a control unit, memory, and input-output device. 2. The first generation, 2940 until 2950. The first generation of computers saw the development of fully electronic machines using vacuum tubes. The computers were labor expensive and could only handle a limited set of tasks. ENIAC Electronics Numerical Integration and Computer, 2945. The ENIAC is considered one of the first true electronic computers developed by John V. Moseley and Joe Presper Aircraft. ENIAC used over vacuum tubes and was capable of performing thousands of calculations per second. It was primarily designed for military calculations such as battles trajectory. Universal Quantum Computer, 2951. The UNIVA was the first compulsive producer computer, developed by the same engineers who created ENIAC. It was the first computer to be used for both business and government applications. The Unival. I was also one of the first to use magnetic tape for data store, which became a standard feature in Sebastian computers. 3. The second generation 2945 until 2965. The second generation of computers introduced the use of transistors, replacing the bulky and efficient vacuum tubes. Transistors were smaller, more reliable, and consumed less power, making computers more affordable and accessible. EBM. The EBM was one of the most important computers of the second generation. It was used of scientific and business applications and was much faster and more efficient than its predecessor. The IBM also marked the rise of mainframe computers, which were used by larger organizations to process larger amounts of data. Development of high-level programming languages. During this time, development of high-level programming languages such as COBOL for business applications and Fortran for scientific computing made programming more accessible to users. These languages allowed computers to be programmed more easily, making them more practical for a wider range of applications. 4. The third generation 2965 until 2980. The third generation of computers was characterized by the widespread use in integrated circuits. The circuits combined many transistors into a single unit, significantly improving performance and reducing the size of computers. IBM systems. The IBM systems was a revolution family for computers that introduced the idea of compatibility across different systems. It was designed to handle a wide range of applications, from scientific calculation to business tasks. The system's 316 set the stage for the growth of the computer industry by providing a flexible platform for different industries. The rise of personal computers. The 2970 saw the birth of the personal computer PC, making computing accessible to individuals and small business. The Atari released in 2975 was one of the first commercially successful PCs. Soon after, companies like Apple, Commodore, and Tandy began producing personal computers for consumers. 5. The fourth generation 2980 until 2000. The fourth generation of computers was defined by the development of The microprocessor is a small integrated circuit that contains all the components of the central processing unit (CPU) on a single chip. This allows for even smaller, faster, and more affordable computers. The rise of the desktop computer. With the advent of the microprocessor, computers became smaller and more powerful. Companies like Apple, with the Macintosh, and IBM, with the IBM PC, produced affordable desktop computers that became staples in homes and office world with the introduction of graphical user interfaces in the 2980, such as the Macintosh OS and Windows, made computers much easier to use for the general public. The Internet and networking. The 2019 990 saw the rise of the Internet, which fundamentally changed the way computers were used. The World Wide Web allowed people to access vast amounts of information and communication with its author in new ways. The developments of networking technologies such as TCP and IP enable on computers to connect to its author globally, fostering the growth of the online world. Conclusion. The evolution of computer is a testament to human ingenuity and technological progress, from the early mechanical devices to the specialized AI system of today. Computers have become an integral part of our daily lives, transforming industry and societies. Our technology continues to evolve. The future of computing has limited potential, from AI to quantum computing, opening up new frontiers in science, business, and human experience. Thank you so much for explaining the material on computer evolution.